So we're still at the farm. This is one of the two polytunnels. This is the one on the left. On the right, that one on the right gets a lot more sunlight than this one because of the shed here, but also because there's a big bush up there, of course, and other trees. So this one's not been doing too bad. It's a little bit behind the other one. You can get in. You can see we've got some decent tomatoes. I don't know why, but I've planted African marigolds in here, and you can see they've just taken over, so I don't think we'll be doing those in here next year, but they're certainly quite nice and smell nice. A few problems on the tomatoes. This one in particular, I won't be growing this again. You can see this is how it grows, and it's very difficult to stop it from splitting like that. But otherwise this one's done alright. We've got a few tomatoes. We've got another tray full of leeks here that need to be transplanted, but I think we've got enough leeks, and some turnips which looks like some slugs or something has got in to eat all the leaves off. But no, we'll have to do some more on this one. The soil in here needs a lot of hydration. You can see how dry it is. You can see it's been alright where the tomatoes are, but next year we'll use soda bottles for those. Let's go with the other one. And we've got a lot of plants to deal with in there, but so this one's been a lot more productive because of the amount of daylight coming in here. These red tomatoes, they're not money makers. I don't know what they are, but they've been a very good crop of decent sized tomatoes all the way around. See, that one's got a sucker coming off, so I might, because it's quite warm in here still, you can see if I mist in on the roof, take the suckers off the base of some of these. You know, there's a decent one there, because you can see there's a bit of blight on that one there. You can see the leaves. But again, a lot of these, something I've tried this year, not these ones, like this one, you can see I've just done string and twizzled it around, and it's done really well. And this is a bit of a sucker, but it's going to come off. Again, the soil in here is very dry, so it's going to need a lot of hydration again, but that's what we've got the beck for. Now if we go outside, we've got some more chilli plants. These ones are planted at exactly the same time as the one on the right in the polytunnel, but that's the only one that's fruited. It's actually cropped anything. These ones only just started to fruit, yet the seeds were planted back in February. You know, it's now October. That's how long it's taken. They're not especially hot. They're Hungarian hot wax. They're nice and mild. Not too bad for most people. So the other project I've got this year and next year is this embankment behind the barbecue here, leading all the way around these rocks to the far end by the about there. The rock area is all to plant. You see there's a lot of weeds growing in there, some plants in there, but starting here, the edge of the rocks, and going all the way around the barbecue, and then where it tapers off down the back of that hill, is to take all the grass and all those weeds out, removing the bits of broken toy. But then where I've started here is to plant a wildflower meadow using wildflowers and yellow rattle. Now I started the other day. You can see some seeds tucked in there. We've had a huge amount of rain recently, so I'm hoping most of them haven't been washed away, but you can see how I've cleared most of the weeds from this area. There's about 4 square meters there, and I've got all that lot to do as a wildflower meadow. Now those hedging plants were just in by the polytunnel, mixed with some more lavender, because there's a huge amount of lavender in this herb garden over here. You can see how much lavender there is. I'll take some of these out, and some of them stop the crowding. So the lavender and the hedging plants are going to carry on from where they've finished off by that ball at the top there, and then carry on all the way along the edge of that border, and then down the hill as best we can. And hopefully this bit here will look a lot better.